my channel. But if you are new, then hi there, my name is Kavi. Welcome to my channel. If you want, you can decide to subscribe and hit the little bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. This week I decided to do one of the all trending videos, which is copying someone else's Instagram. Now I know I'm probably a little bit late on this, but I really wanted to do it. Filming this video was like so much fun, and it was just like really cool to get into it. Before I get in, I just want to say thank you so much to my boyfriend and two of my really good friends for helping me get this done. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be able to do this video at all because I can't take these pictures of myself. I chose to copy the Instagrams of Paris and Roxy. They are both Trinidadian YouTubers and they have one channel but they have separate Instagrams. So I wanted to do that. A couple of reasons. First of all, they are one of my favorite YouTubers. Second, they both have black hair, so I figured that would be very similar to my hair. And third, they also live in Trinidad, so I figured I'd be able to get the locations on point. So if you don't want to see this funny video of me trying to copy their Instagram, then let's go. So just a quick disclaimer, keep in mind that Paris and Roxy are both slim and tall and I'm like a little short chunky, so we are not judging on size, but we are judging on similarity to posture, the outfit, the background, things like that. Okay, so the first photo, this is what it looks like. So this one we literally needed just that plain white background, so that was pretty simple. I already had a lace dress with the long sleeves and I was able to get, I think I really nailed the hair and like the position of my hands on the hair, except that like my hands were like, it was a little bit wide and it didn't like come down, but I think that's because my hands were like, my hands are short. The bottom of my dress was not straight like hers, it was like a little bit flared out. This was the only photo that I didn't make up for. The facial expression, I think I got that pretty good too, but the only thing was that I literally looked the wrong direction. So like the part of the hair was supposed to be in the side and I looked the opposite direction, even though I flipped the picture looking that direction with the part of the hair that was wrong. I would rate this photo like around like I think I'd rate this photo at 8.5 out of 10. Let me know what you think. Hey you. Should I say hi? What? It is. Now this second one, it was pretty okay. This was taken at my favorite sushi place. When I instantly saw the photo, I was like, yes, I know what that is. In the process of taking this photo, you all know I had to get my sushi. Like I couldn't just go to my favorite sushi place to take this photo and not get sushi. This was a pretty hurry photo to take. I literally took this straight after class. Class actually finished a little earlier that day and I had to hurry to get this right after class. And what it looks like. I was able, my hair was not flat ironed, I was able to get, I had black sunglasses but the reflector on hers were like rainbow like and I wasn't able to get, I didn't have any of those like that. Those were like pants and mine was like a skirt. I did get like a white top and that overall. So I think I did get that. The positioning of me with regards to the wall, I think it was pretty okay. The hand posture, and then I did have like a little hair tie on my hand, so that did match, but my hair wasn't straight and obviously I'm shorter and yeah, I didn't get that little piece of belly showing, but I think that it was okay-ish still. I would rate this photo a like 7 out of 10. This third photo, now this is a Roxy's photo. I know exactly where this was taken. This was taken at South Park and this picture has like a lot of stories going with it. So I'll insert the footage now. Okay, so I have class in like around 20 minutes. Thank God I don't live far. Just finished getting ready. I'm waiting for daddy to come back with the car for me to go to class. After class, my friend gonna help me to take out the last picture for the video. Funny story I wanted to tell earlier. Here's the thing, I dressed previously for this same picture, but we needed like the background, which is like the background is a fountain, so we needed that fountain to be on. The day that I went too early and the fountain wasn't on. Anyway, back home, I wanted coffee, and it's ripped jeans you had to wear, right? So I was wearing heels, and here's what happened. We went for coffee. The car was parked up like here, and then it had like a drain, and then you had to like cross over the drain to go into the coffee place. And I literally just fall down. Like after crossing the drain, my foot just twist like this. My left foot just like went like this, and then my right foot literally just fall on my knee, and right now it's like totally bruised up. That was like a couple days ago though. It already healing, but the stupid thing is that the rip jeans is literally ripped right by my knee, so it literally get like the whole thing just get grazed away. And the stupid thing is, the first thing I was studying is like my jeans get blood on it. It's like I wasn't even studying about my knee. I was like, I wonder if my jeans could clean. Sounds stupid. So this is kind of like how it's kind of like that. So yeah, that's how many, and I hate this hairstyle right now. This hairstyle don't suit me at all. I'm looking like so horrible because it's like chunky. But we're gonna do this for the video, right? Hi, Sasha. Hi. So it's our final location.
Say hi.
Hey.
Pictures taken. It's a video though. I don't know why all you doing that whole. I'm telling the vlog pictures are taken. What's wrong with you? Hi Judah.
Yo, we have to thank Judah, thank the person behind the camera. Sasha, say hi. Sasha is on YouTube also, so you should follow her. I'll leave her link below, and I'll also put the title of the text in the screen. This girl is so funny.
Yes, I like Chinese food. So we'll buy the Chinese food out by you.
This was one of the funniest photos to take out. We took so much to try to get this. We could not get the angle of the photo. We just like, even though we were at the location and the fountain was there, we just couldn't get like the exact positioning of it. It was like difficult for me to get the right pose. I was able to get that like white top and like jeans and stuff like that. I did plait my hair like that. That hairstyle didn't suit me at all. I did not have hard sunglasses, but I did have like gold framed sunglasses, so that sort of worked. In addition to that, like my ripped jeans weren't as ripped. However, the thing about these things, okay, I did get the posture, I did get the hair and like the outfit and the shoes a little bit nailed down. The sunglasses was kind of matched a little bit, but I did not. The top was tied a little bit too high, and too much of my stomach was showing. That was uncomfortable. I kind of like looked down too much when in this picture, in the real picture, she like looked out and like looked down, but I looked down too much. But I still think it turned out okay. And one of the things that happened with this is that, like, literally behind the fountain there is an entire section of Starlight Pharmacy. If you guys don't know, Starlight Pharmacy is like a huge pharmacy. They have a pharmacy separate, and then they have literally one store itself for their makeup collection. They sell a lot of high-end makeup products. Every single worker from Starlight Pharmacy makeup collection was literally by the glass, like. So that was really funny. And then like we were moving like from fountain to fountain because there were two fountains, and everybody was by the door looking. So that was really funny about taking out this photo. I would rate this photo about like I think like a 6, 7. I think a 7 out of 10. 7. I'll rate this photo a 7.5 out of 10 because I didn't love it, but it was the funniest to film and it still turned out pretty okay. Just another disclaimer, I'm not a stalker or anything. I just happen to know where these locations are, okay guys, because Trinidad is a very small place. Okay, so for the fourth photo, this is how it looks like. I was really proud of this photo and kind of myself because I was able to nail the exact positioning and get the exact background with the whole like plant, the tree, everything going on. I got the outfit like on point with the whole pink sports bra, black leggings kind of thing, the ponytail. I did not have the same colors kind of shoes. The shoes was off. But like I think that my posture, my outfit and the background was like everything was like really good. This photo was taken like kind of instantly. It wasn't like it didn't take too long, like fun, and so yeah, like I would rate this photo about like a 9 out of 10 because I love it and I think that it was pretty similar to the original. Just another thing I would like to mention, Paris, Roxy, if you do happen to come across this video, I am sorry if I didn't do a good job recreating your photos, but it was just so much fun and I really love your Instagrams, by the way. So for the fifth and final photo, this one was so funny because Paris is like a total yoga babe. She's really great at yoga. Literally, she actually was the person that inspired me to do yoga last year. I was like really up and doing yoga last year. Then I got demotivated and stopped. So in this photo, this is what it looks like. Doing this photo was a little bit like iffy with me. Okay, I got the background nailed, I got the positioning nailed. My foot was not raised high enough, of course, we know that. And I literally kind of misjudged. She actually left her hair in a ponytail and it was just like down. I opened my hair, so I misjudged that. I did get the whole she just had on. I think it was the same outfit with the pink sports bra and the black leggings, but she just threw on a like white long sleeve top over it. I did have that, so I nailed that. You could see my little stomach, my little stomach hanging out there. So that was too much, but I still think that I really like this photo. It turned out still pretty awesome and I loved it. It was like really great to do this little thing. I swear, like when I was originally going through these Instagrams to do these photos, I was looking at Paris ones and I literally felt like if I was going to do the yoga challenge rather than the Instagram challenge. So I would rate this photo about like a 9 out of 10 too, because I really like how it turned out. It was pretty similar. Again, we're not judging on the size because I know I have all that summer going on, but I think it turned out really great and I loved it.
Roll it.
Tip time. So one of my favorite philosophies that I live by is that I don't care what people think about me or say about me once I know that I'm doing the right thing. Now it doesn't mean that I don't care what anybody thinks about me, but people who are being negative and trying to always say negative things about me and trying to keep me down, this really refers to them. I totally disregard whatever they say and you should do the same. I do listen to some things that people say about me, which is like the constructive criticism, because it's good to know what people think about you. But people's perception of you should not be your reality. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and I want you guys to comment below. Let me know which one you think that I did the best at and I really copied. I will see you next week. Bye.
Mi atrevimiento, pero no puedo dejar que te vaya.